Hey guys, so one thing I wanted to show you really fast about Canvas. Some of you I think may already know this, but for those of you who don't, this is going to be really helpful to you. So if you go to your dashboard and you pick pre-algebra, or really this works with any of your Canvas classes. So if you go in here, and then I'm going to go to student view, so I see what you see. Okay, so this is what you see, right? And here's what I want to show you. So over here, where it says grades, if I have graded something that's new that you haven't looked at yet, you'll see a circle with a number in it. Anytime you see a circle with a number in it, you need to come over here and check this. Just like you need to check your email every day, you also need to check your grades every day. So if you go here to grades, then this is just my test student account. So you'll be able to see, oh look, I'm missing an assignment. I'm missing another assignment. It'll tell you your score out of whatever it is. Now mine obviously are blank because this is a test student. I don't go in and do the work for the test student. It's just for an example. So one thing I want to show you, this is so important. If you see this symbol right here, this little dialog box off to the side of your assignment, you need to click on it and open it up. I have left a comment in there for you. For example, this says, please redo this. So maybe you made the same mistake over and over again, and in some of yours, like I'll notice, oh, you just didn't get the reciprocal first. I'll type that in there and tell you what you did wrong. Oh, maybe you forgot the rules for multiplying integers. So maybe I'll put those rules in there for you. But it is really, really important. I take a lot of time, especially with me being out, putting these comments in here for you. So if I ask you to redo it, please redo it, because these things are for a grade. And if after I go in and grade it, if you have a low grade or I think you could have done better, I will send you a message like this that says, please redo, or maybe I'll answer a question or try to help you with the work. But remember, I take redos for full credit. I take late work for full credit. Okay, so if there's something you haven't done yet, it says missing. You need to go in and do it. If there's something that has a box like this, you need to click on it and read what I wrote for you. Okay, really important. Now, none of my other ones have anything. Sometimes I put comments and sometimes I don't. So you just need to go in there and check every day. Check your inbox and check your grades. So I'm going to do that again to show you how to do it. So you're going to go to grades over here. And then you look at your grades. Oh, I need to do these. They're missing. And you click on your comments if you have any. Some of them you might not have comments on. That's okay. So it'll say, please redo this. If that's the case, you can click it. You can click it and then wait. Oh, there you go. You can click it and then you can redo it. So then I would go back to the module it was in. This is the add and subtract integers quiz. So I'm going to go back and find the add and subtract integers quiz. There it is right there. So I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to redo it. Take the quiz and I'm going to redo the quiz and then see if I can get a better grade. Okay? I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, send me a message on Canvas.